Dangajing Pynher jong Indian Space Research Organization yau Chandrayaan-3 kawan rak ke Jingsarong syakari India hebro kawai lapan pau menteri rang bak sarkar jala konrat konggal sama habakran syagilat patai kubur. Kat kum konrat lo benrap lu dak boong bagi jing persang ba berbajuat ke India lalong kari ke basau benyu yuk kijat hau benai kata hadin jong Soviet Union US bat ke China.
Well, it is a very, very proud moment for every Indian, and I'm no different. And obviously, I think we all will be very proud once it lands. We have to also understand that we will be the only fourth nation in the entire world that would have successfully landed in the moon, and we will be the first to have landed in the southern part of the moon. So therefore, this will be a big step for India, and a very strong message at the international level about the overall seriousness of India, about the capacity of India, and that India is now among those top countries that has got technology to send a mission to the moon.